When lightning strikes, it's not just a flashy light show. The intense heat, hotter than the surface of the sun, breaks nitrogen molecules apart in the air. This frees nitrogen atoms to bond with oxygen, creating nitrogen oxides. These nitrogen oxides dissolve into rain and fall to Earth, turning into nitrates, essential nutrients for plants. Without lightning, the nitrogen cycle would slow down, starving the soil of life's crucial building blocks. So next time you see a lightning storm, remember, it's nature's fertilizer factory at work.